Welcome to GC's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Nigerian jollof rice with grilled barbecued chicken. All the ingredients here. This is the rice. You can either use easy cook rice or basmati rice, whichever one you prefer. This is the chicken, which we're going to season. And then this is the bell peppers, red bell peppers that we're going to use today for this purpose. We're going to use plum tomato. You can either use plum tomato or you can use normal tomato, whichever one you prefer. We're going to use olive oil and some sunflower oil. This is the onions we're going to be using. I'm going to use two types of onions, the white onions and the red onions. We're going to use some Scotch bonnet, some garlic. We're going to use some tomato paste, and I'm also going to use a lot of spices. We're going to use curry, we're going to use ginger, turmeric, garlic, and we'll barbecue seasoning for the chicken. We're also going to use all-purpose seasoning, mixed spices, and some chicken stock cubes. And we're going to add some salt as well to season the chicken and then to add to the jollof rice. We are going to start by blending our tomato, which is the tomato puree. We're going to add our bell peppers, blend all together, and then we're going to blend some onions, the garlic, and the Scotch bonnet. We're going to blend them all together now. I'm going to season our chicken that we're going to be using for this purpose. So I'm going to season it and marinate it for like an hour before putting it in the oven. So I'm going to add all-purpose seasoning, mixed spices, some cubes, chicken stock cubes to the chicken, just to give it that flavor, you know. I am going to add a pinch of salt, to it, some salt. I'm going to add some ginger, going to add some garlic. So you can use whichever seasoning you prefer. You can use any seasoning depending on how you just want it. I'm gonna add some barbecue seasoning as well. And then I'm going to add some ginger, or then mix it and then marinate it. This is my marinated chicken, all ready to go in the oven. Now this is my blended tomato with onions, garlic, and my bell peppers, all blended and ready to parboil 20 minutes. Now don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our YouTube channel. This is our parboiled tomatoes, all ready to be seasoned. So we're going to add some chicken stock cubes, salt, curry, all-purpose seasoning, some mixed spices as well, and then some ginger. So we're going to add it all to the parboiled tomato. And also I am going to add in some oil. You can use olive oil, or you can either use any type of oil, sunflower. I like to use sunflower oil for my jollof rice. Then I'll leave it boil for another few minutes before I add the rice. Now, this is our tomato sauce for our jollof rice, all well cooked, seasoned, and ready for the rice to go in. But before I put the rice in, I am going to add some chicken stock, which is our chicken stock from our chicken. So I'm going to put the chicken stock in, pour it in. And then I'm going to put the rice in, stir and leave it cook for another few minutes. Put in the rice in the bowl. We're going to stir the rice together. Just make sure the sauce is properly stirred before cooking. Continue to stir until the rice is all covered. Yeah, that's properly covered now. I'm going to use foil paper to cover our rice, to let it cook. Okay. We're going to cover our rice, properly covered with some foil paper, just to make sure the steam doesn't go off it. And cook on low heat till it's properly done and dry. So let's go check on our chicken. Ooh, smells so nice, so delicious. Can't wait. Yeah, we only need to give it a few more minutes now till it's done. To add a bit of seasoning to our chicken sauce. We're going to add a bit of tomato sauce to our chicken. That will just be the final touch to the chicken. I'm going to add this on top of the chicken. Wow, look at that. Oh, can't wait. Smells so nice. I'm going to add this and then leave it in the grill for another few minutes, then our chicken is ready to go. I'm hungry already. Can't wait to eat this. Whoa. Smells delicious. Yeah. So I'll leave it for a few minutes so it gets a bit brown and crisp. Now let's go check up on our rice. Smells so nice. Whoa, look at that. Just look at that. Oh, can't wait. Our rice is nearly done, so we're gonna give it a few more minutes so it dries up properly. Just look at that. Oh, that looks so good. So we're gonna give it a few more minutes to dry up properly before we turn off the gas. So we're just gonna mix it together again. So this time you can reduce your heat. Just look at that. So we're gonna give it a few more minutes just to dry up properly. I'm gonna cover that back. To let it dry. Whoa, look at our chicken all ready. Wow, can't wait to eat this. That smells nice already. Lovely. So our chicken is all cooked, so now we're going to turn off the oven and then wait for the rice to dry up a little bit more, and then we're ready to serve. Our chicken is all ready now and ready to be served. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this YouTube video. Now let's go check up on our rice. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on this YouTube channel. That smells so nice. So we're gonna check up on the rice to say, oh, look at that, all dried up now and ready to serve. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. All fluffy. That smells nice. You can also add some bay leaves to your jollof rice if you like. Like you said earlier on, it all depends on you and how you like your jollof rice. Look at that. I just can't wait to have some of this. Just look at that. Our jollof rice is all ready now, so we're just going to turn off the heat and then serve. This is our finished product. This is our jollof rice with grilled barbecue chicken, all ready to eat. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.